If you are an online entrepreneur, business owner, or you have a website to promote, look no further than MyPayingAds.com. MyPayingAds is a viral advertising website that delivers high-quality traffic within a short span of your advertisement being placed on the site. MyPayingAds offers revenue sharing on ad pack purchases, which is really a win-win system for you. The great thing about this system is that people are able to make fair earnings of money in the comfort of their own home, anytime, anywhere. This is not an investment or get-rich-quick program. This is an online advertising program that sells advertising services including banner ads, text ads, login ads, withdrawal ads, traffic exchange ads, paid-to-click ads, and many more. These services allow people to promote their business, product, services, or brand to all members of the site. Members are given a variety of income-earning opportunities. Packages include the Ad Pack Plan 1 that includes 2 banner credits, 100 traffic exchange surfing credits, no repurchase rule, and a maximum of 100 active ad packs for only $5. Packages go up from there, with more credits, rewards, ad packs, and other perks. There's really something for everyone's budget. Additionally, free members can earn money by visiting paid-to-click ads advertised on the website. Whoever thought you could make money by simply surfing the web? Members can also make money for referring others, and they will enjoy 10% commission for every ad pack their referral buys. Referring people is one of the easiest ways to make money, and it is residual income once referrals start purchasing ad packs. MyPayingAds was launched in March of 2015 and has already paid out nearly $7 million to members. That's huge! Within the course of just over a year, MyPayingAds members have taken advantage of a huge income-earning opportunity, and it's only getting better as time goes on. What's great about this system is that anyone can join, regardless of their experience, profession, gender, or age. There is no selling necessary, nor tedious tasks, and MyPayingAds is easy for anyone to use. Members will have access to a free marketing system and training videos that will cover everything a person needs to know about the system. MyPayingAds is free to join and completely legal. Join this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity today, before it's too late. Click the link in the video or below the video to start earning online.